Shiba Inu is exploding. Let's talk about why this is happening and where the coin is headed very soon. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis and so you know exactly when the price of this coin will pump next. Also, if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Public has just recently added Shiba Inu Coin to its roster of tradable cryptos. So if you guys want to hop on there with our link, get a free stock, and also start to trade cryptocurrency, especially Shiba Inu, you guys can use the link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, Shiba Inu, wow, what an incredible last like 24 to even 48 hours it's been. Guys, we are on such a journey with Shiba Inu right now. It is incredible to see we are up 17.44%. But real quick here, guys, let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. Every video we do this, and every video we are absolutely blown away by the massive amount of support and comments from the Shiba Inu army. It's just incredible to see how strong the army is, and guys, every video you guys kill it. So comment down below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys have so we can see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is, and make sure to like the video. Let's get this video to like 700 likes, guys. You guys blow the like goal out of the water every single video, and we are always very appreciative. But let's get back to Shiba Inu. So we're at 4647 level currently right now, just up about 17.44% on the day. Again, if we go to trading view, as you can see here, guys, this was something that we were all worried about, right? We saw that huge pump up to the all-time high around the, what is this, like the 4.342 level here, even 4.4 level, reaching an all-time high. This coin has never been that high before, and we all were worried, oh my god, what if it goes down here and consolidates a bunch and doesn't go higher? But look at this, guys, it breaks through that resistance and continues to go higher to the 4.6 level, guys. We have officially made new all-time highs in the early morning hours, or really actually, I think this was later last night. This is around like 12 o'clock last night. But either way, guys, impressive stuff to see nonetheless. And you love to see the fact that Shiba Inu still has great momentum moving forward. And another even more, I think, funny, kind of interesting little tweet that I found here on Twitter is from Milkshake. As you can see here, the irony is just beautiful today. Look at this, right? So here we have Shib and Tesla, right? Shib is up 17.67%, Tesla up 12%. Guys, you know Tesla has been absolutely killing it in the stock market recently. They just reached about $1,000 per share. If you guys are at all familiar with the stock world, and even if you're not, Shiba Inu is now, basically these stocks are very intertwined the way they're running together. And it's kind of an interesting dichotomy that you could look at, especially with Elon Musk's recent comments about Shiba Inu Coin and everything in between. Now, with Shiba Inu and its incredible run that we're looking at right now, let's check out ranking, right? Everybody wants to know market cap ranking, where we're at. Guys, this is the number 11th coin in the entire world, right? So we are number 11. We are just behind USD coin and Dogecoin. Again, it needs to obviously increase pretty drastically in order to pass Dogecoin here. We're looking at like a $20 billion, or is that trillion actually? Wait, million, trillion. Either way, guys, we're gonna look at a pretty significant increase here to get to that upside. But a lot of you guys want to know, hey, is this rally over, right? Are we still going to keep going? Is this current little kind of pullback here that we're experiencing, is this going to be way more accentuated? Like, what is going to happen? So what I like to do personally is look at where we've been, and then we can take a look at where we're going. I think the past, especially in stocks, in assets, and crypto, and anything that I can use a graph to kind of chart the price, right? You can use these types of events, right, to predict future outcomes. And that doesn't always maintain true, right? Future or past events don't always predict future outcomes, but it does tend to be a good indicator of what could happen, right? So let's take a look. So first rally we had here lasted for about a couple of days here, this first initial pump to the upside. Again, then we had a little bit of a dump here, just over about a day. And then we went into about 2 weeks or so of consolidation, right? Where it really wasn't a lot of movement. Now, keep this in mind that this price obviously is much higher than the previous price. Volume has increased drastically, right? Everything about this coin all of a sudden now is much more popular and has many more people investing in it, talking about it, buying it. And of course, just in general, the ecosystem is expanding. Everything is expanding. So of course, we were holding at these higher levels very nicely, I might add, right? Not really doing too much movement towards the down or the upside, just consolidating very nicely between about the 3 to like 2.8 level at the lows, and just kind of doing that for quite some time. And as you can see, volume continued to get lower and lower. You can see by how kind of extrapolated these candles are, right? Each of these candles were bigger and smaller until eventually it really got to the point where the candles were so small. I mean, we'd have to zoom in a lot here. Look how low the volume was, right, over these past couple of days, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, right? The reason I'm pointing that out is because when volume starts to fade and buying pressure starts to increase, and all you have is buying pressure, because more than likely, because volume is fading, the overall number of buyers and sellers is going to be lower in general. And what that means is that if there's even a small uptick in buyers, we have a very classic breakout towards the upside like we saw here out of that bullish pennant pattern, which if you look, and we were talking about this for a week, right? So we were looking at it, guys, look at this classic little bullish pennant pattern. That's what we kept talking about in all of our videos. Trying to make sure you guys are updated, obviously, of course. But we kept looking at that and saying, wow, this looks really good. This looks like it's going to break out like really like any time now. And of course, we ended up being correct, and now we are up at these all-time highs. Now, that begs the question, will that do the same? Again, if we see something similar to this, where we see a pump that lasts for the next couple of days, right? The next 2 to 3 to even 4 days of a pump where we're seeing it just kind of move towards the upside here, breaking past, further and further resistance points. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if we have one big or larger pullback from people either taking profits, from whales taking profits, or even if there's just maybe a bad piece of news, a random bad piece of news, that can happen. We saw the Elon Musk tweet, unfortunately. But again, what's funny is the Elon Musk tweet didn't do anything, right? It only really caused a little bit of a dump for maybe about a couple hours, and then we pretty much just rebounded, recovered, and now we're back at all-time highs. So again, guys, Elon Musk, a lot of people like to say he has control over the coin, he's manipulating it and everything. But guys, really, the people who are in control right now, it's retail, guys. It's you, the holder, who are in control of this coin in the future of it, guys. So don't get too concerned, don't get too worried, guys. Again, Shiba Inu is still an incredible coin and is still doing amazing things. The project is amazing. The use case is even more interesting. Everything they're doing behind the scenes right now is, in my opinion, a good thing. The NFTs, the Shiboshi, the blockchain stuff going on, again, the game that they're creating, and of course we have the Robinhood listing that could be coming soon. Again, we'll make a video on that later today. But guys, I'm still very bullish on Shiba Inu. Price movement still looks good. I'm not necessarily buying at these levels just because it's a little bit overbought for my taste. I'm more of a guy to buy on the pullbacks, like for instance when the Elon Musk tweet came out and we kind of dumped down to these downside levels. That was when I was buying. But again, I'm not really buying at these all-time highs right now. I'm waiting for a little bit more of a pullback. And again, that could happen soon. But I also think that there is enough momentum towards the upside, enough social conversation to keep that going. Either way, we're going to keep it very, very closely in our eye and make sure you guys are up to date with the latest information. So make sure to subscribe. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to get a free stock pretty much with our link down in the description below, you guys can use that link down there. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to sign up and see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and crypto markets. It is a great way to socialize with like-minded people, like-minded individuals who are on the same journey as you in investing. And it's just overall a great app that we personally use to buy and sell stocks. So guys, use that link down in the description below. Make sure to like the video because it helps out a ton. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.